warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Muhammad Rizky Pratama, and this time I will make a video for the final test semester with the of company and job. Okay, and this is the material that I will discuss. Okay, first, company history, introduction, software, comparison degree, procedure, opinion, agree and disagree, IT office or job, condition, internet, making appointment, request and offers, and last grade, present perfect sentence. Already 44 years ago, on April 1st, 1676, Apple was founded by Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak. Apple Inc., previously known as Apple Company Inc., is an American manufacturer of personal computer, computer peripheral, and computer software. Apple was very successful personal computer or PC or personal computer company and has popularized the graphical user interface. Before becoming one of the richest company in the world, Apple was a small company based in Los Altos, California. The double step met in 1771. They were introduced by their friend Bill Fernandez, who later became on the Apple early employees. The two of them are close friends because they love technology and jokes. They make a blue box that allow free long distance phone call. Okay? One, Steve Jobs. Two, Steve Wozniak. Three, Bill Fernandez. Apple first office is great. Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak worked in Jobs great at first. Maybe like this is Steve Jobs great. Okay. They debut the Apple One from a desktop computer with a single motherboard, pre-assembled like unlike any other PC on the era. Apple II was introduced a year later, 1977. Things that are being upgraded include integrated keyboard and case, and expansion slot for installing floppy disks and other components. Apple III was released in 1980, 1 year before IBM released the IBM personal computer. Technical failure and other machine problem caused Apple to withdraw product and damage Apple reputation. The Macintosh computer is rated as Apple most successful product. A computer equipped with a built-in screen mouse was in product in 1964. It featured a GUI and operating system known as System 1 or the earliest version of macOS, and a number of software programs. The software available on the Macintosh include the MacWrite word processor and MacPine graphic editor. The New York Times stated that the Macintosh was the beginning of a evolution in personal computing during 1980. The Macintosh underwent many changes. In 1990, the company introduced three new models, namely the Macintosh Classic, Macintosh LC, and Macintosh LLSI. All three the smaller and cheaper than the original computer. A year later, Apple released the PowerBook, the earliest version of the company laptop computer. In 1977, Apple introduced a new personal computer, the iMac. iMac became an icon of semi-transparent plastic case which were finally produced in Paris color. Then, 2001, Apple released the first version, the iPod, a portable music player that allow users to store to 1,000 songs in their pocket. Apple is growing by expanding the market. In 2007, Apple released a smartphone, the iPhone, and the iPhone is smartphone is widely used in many countries. Okay, next introduction software. As we know that the iPhone smartphone has a different system from the other. Its name iOS or operating system. When viewed from the internet, this iOS perform is better than the Android system performs. Comparison specification iPhone and Samsung. Okay, here I will show the specification and price. For iPhone 11 Max Pro and Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. If you see smartphone, phone is more expensive than Samsung, and Samsung smartphone components are better than iPhone phone. However, iPhone is bigger than Samsung. Okay, next opinion. I think iPhone smartphone are more expensive than Samsung. And in my opinion, Samsung smartphone are better than iPhone. But it's up to you which one to buy because I give my opinion to you. Procedure assembling an iPhone. I will show an image of the smartphone iPhone component. Okay, first make the rear body first. Next, install the smartphone battery. Next, install the smartphone engine. Okay, attach the smartphone cable, pairing and phone screen, and let's install from body smartphone. Okay, next, condition agree and disagree. As I said earlier, maybe if I have a lot money, maybe I will buy a Samsung phone. I disagree if my money to buy a smartphone iPhone. And I agree if money about Samsung phone. Or maybe if I have a lot money, I will save it for my later purpose. Okay, next. IT, office or job, internet, making of payment and request and offers. Social media marketer, the high level penetration of social media in Indonesia makes social media one the main promotion tools for a product service. Through media social business, people can carry out promotion as well as build relationship with audience and from the image of a company. The scopes of work social media marketer includes create social media content, interaction with audience by replying to comment or direct message, and compose adverts or promotion material. I think the internet has a lot positive, like the social media marketer. job. He market or offer his product on social media or advertising. Or it could be that we use the internet to communicate or make a payment with our friend. And we can also use the internet with other positive thing. Okay, present perfect. Definition of the present perfect tense. The present perfect tense is form of verb used to express an action or situation that has started in the past and is still continue until now and has been complete at a certain point in time in the past, but the effect is still continue. This tense is usually used to talk about experience or change that invoice a place. Okay, for example, I will make a sentence, positive, negative, and interrogative. Positive sentence. They have lived in Karawang for a long time. Next, negative. They have not lived in Karawang for a long time. Okay, next, interrogative. Have they lived in Karawang for a long time? I will make example again. Positive. I have been using an iPhone for a long time. Negative. I have not used an iPhone for a long time. And interrogative. Have I been using an iPhone for a long time? Maybe that's all I can explain for this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.